Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another project share. This is some like trim and ribbon. So here I hand sewn some crepe paper, and then this lace, white lace, is actually from Walmart, and then this ribbon is actually from the Dollar Tree. And then I just punched a hole and then hanged a bow, which is from the Dollar Tree as well. I revamped it and add a gold ribbon, and then added a cute little bell. And then this bag is actually from Dollar Tree as well, and I just stitched up the sides. And then I closed off the opening where the gusset is. I just taped it, and then it's like perfect for, you know, gift. Then I just created this bow and then added that on there. So that's how that looks like. And then this next one looks like this. I actually have a tutorial on how to make this, so I will make sure to link it down below. These are like the chip bag type of thing with the ziplock closure. So if I can show you, see, so it just opens up, and then the recipient can reuse it or whatever she likes. So here I just have it simple because the paper already has, you know, some sparkle to it. So I just fussy cut apart and then placed it back on another piece of paper from the Miss Claus collection, which is the Hot Buy paper pad. And then I stitched up the middle. That's the only thing that's holding this paper and this together. And then I just kind of like fluffed that up. And then on the side here, I just have a dangle piece bell. And then this here, I strung some beads into it. So it looks like that. And it's a pink tassel with gold in it. And then this one, I die cut it and then pieced them together. And then I just punched a hole at the top to make it like, you could probably use this as a tag or whatever, but it just went cute with it. It added a little something something to the bag. So, and then I just have some goodies in there that I'm gifting her. But yeah, that is my project share for this one, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.